Hey everybody, so a couple of months ago I made a video on how to get real-time crypto prices directly from the CoinMarketCap website into your Google Sheets portfolio trackers. And the video got a good response and a lot of people seemed to find it very useful because at the time Google had no official formula where you could actually pull in crypto prices. So that made it very difficult for people to try and track their performance of their stocks and crypto all in one place. They have since added a crypto database which would allow you to pull prices for some of the very large cap coins, but it only works for the likes of Bitcoin, ETH and Cardano and XRP. This is the formula here, so if you only hold the likes of Bitcoin or ETH or XRP for example, I highly recommend you just use this one. But if you hold anything else such as like Solana or DOT or even some of the meme coins like Shiba Inu or Floki Inu, then you will need to use my method. In my first video, I didn't cover the formula that you need to use if you have some meme coins. Basically anything that has a price of 0.000001. If you want to pull the price for one of these meme coins from CoinMarketCap into your Google Sheets, then you need to use a slightly different formula, which I will go through in this video. I am in by no way advocating that you should go and buy these meme coins. I don't hold any myself and I probably never will, but for anybody who does hold them and wants to track their performance, then this is probably a good way to do it. When I go through the process of showing you how to set up this on your Google Sheets, do not worry if you cannot recreate what I'm showing you. You also have the option of buying my stocks and crypto portfolio tracker, which I'm selling on Etsy. I will leave a link to that below in the description section for anybody that is really stuck. My Etsy store is called Accountancy School and it's all just one word. So let's just kick it off. So first things first, what you need to do is just open up a blank Google Sheets. And then what I like to do here is just to keep the regular cryptos and the meme coins separate. It will just make life a bit easier on yourself. So I just created a few simple headings just to get us going here. The symbol, the URL and the price. So the symbol is not very important. You can just put in the regular name of the crypto here. This won't actually affect anything. But what you will need to do is go on to the CoinMarketCap website then and try and get the URL for each of these different cryptocurrencies. So I'll show you what I mean here. So if I wanted to get, say, I'm on, say, the homepage here basically of CoinMarketCap now. If I wanted to get, say, the URL of Polkadot, I'll just type in, say, dot here. And I'll find the specific Polkadot page on CoinMarketCap. So as you can see here, it's CoinMarketCap/currencies/Polkadot new. So I want to copy that URL and paste it in here beside dot. I'll do the same for Solana here. Copy the URL and paste it back in here. And I'll do that for Shiba and Floki here also. Once you have that done, then you need to just copy in the formula that is going to actually import the price from that page into your Google Sheets. So I have the formulas just saved down here at the bottom of the sheet. You don't have to worry about pausing the video to write these down. I'm just going to copy them down into the description section so anybody can go and copy and paste them at their leisure. And if there is ever an update on the CoinMarketCap website, sometimes they change the parameters. And if the formula slightly updates, as it does sometimes, I will go back to the video and update them there. So for a regular crypto price, here is the formula here. It's IMPORTXML and then open brackets, the cell. So see where it says here C3. So this has to link up with the URL that you just pasted into the Excel sheet. So I'll just show you here, for example, I'm going to copy my my formula here in regular price and just paste it up beside Sol here into the price. As you can see here, this is after breaking it because I don't have it linked now to the URL. So I just need to just delete out this ref part here and then just link it to where I just pasted in my URL and hit enter. And that pulls in the price of Solana. And then I'm just going to copy it down to DOT as well. And that pulls in the price of Polkadot. So it's actually very easy to do. And then there's a slightly different formula then for the meme coins, because as you can see they have like a price of 0.00005635 for Shiba. So if I just copy that formula here and paste it into the price here beside Shiba, and then it's after breaking here again, so I just need to relink it to the correct URL here, and bang, that's that done. So that's the Shiba price, and the Floki price then should work as well. As you see, it's after breaking here for Floki, but what I think might have happened here is you don't need to use the meme coin formula for Floki. It's probably just a regular formula you need to use, so I'm just going to try that instead. So I'll just link this to the other formula here and link it to the URL. And so yeah, that's working for Floki. So the regular formula is working for Floki. Obviously it doesn't have as many decimal places, so it probably works with the normal formula. So the last thing you really need to do here is just to create a macro to refresh these prices, because when they pull in from CoinMarketCap, they're going to be kind of static. So you want to create a quick and easy method to refresh these prices. So what I usually do here is I create a very simple macro. So don't worry, these are very easy to do. So all you do is come up here to Tools, Macros, Record Macro. And what this will actually do is it's going to record every little action that you do until you save your macro, and at a click of a button then it will repeat those actions anytime you ever want to do it. So if I wanted to say refresh the prices, what I would do is I would just delete out my my formulas, and then I would copy the one I have saved here and just redo it again. Repaste them in. So I have them all re-updated. Then I can hit save, and then you can just name your macro. I'm going to name it just refresh prices. You can even create a shortcut, so I'm just going to call it Control-Alt-Shift+1 and hit save. And then whenever you want to refresh the prices on your sheet, all you need to do then is go to Tools, Macros, and you'll see now refresh prices is one of the options on the list here. So if I click that, it will automatically do all those actions again and copy and paste everything and refresh all of the prices, which is really easy to do in just literally a second. And you can also use the shortcut that you created. And so that is the basics of just getting the price into your Google Sheets. Then you can try and build it out a bit more, like so like my spreadsheet here that I have on Etsy. I have my just stocks in here, and I have then my my crypto, so you can add in your average cost and your market value. You can even convert it into different your base currency wherever you're from. So you can try and build it out whatever way you want to do it. I know a lot of people ask me, can I put in the market cap and the daily price changes from CoinMarketCap also? That is actually not something I am able to do myself yet. If there's anybody really good with HTML that is watching the video and knows how to pull in the market cap and the daily price change, please let us know and I can do an updated video again. But this will kind of get you to the basics anyway of getting your price and your market value of your holdings basically, and tracking everything you own. So I hope everybody found this video useful, and if you have any questions, leave me know in the comments. I would really appreciate it also if you could drop a thumbs up on the video and subscribe to the channel.